Hey YouTube, my name is Shir and welcome to my channel. The setting is a bit different. This is because I moved another apartment because this is what I do in Berlin apparently. Today I'm going to make Bulgur salad 3 ways. It's going to be super healthy, not necessarily, but also healthy and tasty. And say hello to my new friend. Come say hi. Hello! If you're going to hear some footsteps, it's hers. So be patient. Mimi, so cool. Okay, so let's start. We're going to start by rinsing our... You okay? By rinsing our bulgur very well until the water comes out transparent, translucent. It's really important to clean it very well so it wouldn't be any dirt left. If you want to see the exact ingredients and measurements, go to my website. The link to the specific recipe will be in the description below, so be sure to check it out. So let's start. So we have here the washed bulgur and the water, just clean cold water. Put it over, adding some salt, and I'm going to cook it, let it boil, cover it. So it's important to choose a lid that actually covers it right. So boiling it, covering it, taking the heat off, and then let it cook for 15 minutes. It's that easy. And when it cooks, we are going to prepare our ingredients. Okay, so what I'm using today is tomato, a cucumber, onion, and some herbs. This time I have only coriander, but it definitely works as well with parsley and other herbs you like. I'm just going to cut them pretty thinly. This is just how I like it and prefer it. You do you. I think I'm going to start with half an onion and we'll take it from there. You can always add whatever you like. If you like more onion, use more onion. If you like more tomato, use more tomato, you know. It's just a ball. So our bulgur is ready. It's been 15 minutes, and what I like to do after it's ready is to fluff it with a fork like this. Oh my god, this is so good. This is exactly how I like it. Let's try it. Very nice. That's it. While the bulgur is being chilled, I'm going to make tahini sauce, tahina as we call it. So I'm using sesame paste, and to this I'm adding some lemon juice, white pepper, salt, sumac, and some water. I like to add garlic to mine. Now we mix. You can also do it inside a jar. I think I need more sesame paste, more water. I think I added a little bit too much salt, too salty. Tahini is ready. Basically how I make my tahini is I just add stuff, I mix it, and then I try it, and then I fix it. If it's too liquidy, I add more paste. If it's too salty, I add more lemon juice or also water. If it's too pasty, I add more water or lemon juice. So this is how I like mine, consistency wise. And now we assemble. What's good about this is that if you don't want to use everything, you just store bulgur separately in the fridge and just use whatever you want for the specific bowl of salad that you're making. It's the first time I'm filming in this setting, so please be forgiving. A little bit of olive oil, some salt, I mix. This is just the base. I also sometimes use lemon juice. I will. Drizzle tahini. Don't be shy, put some more. And then we use this. You can do whatever cheese you like feta. I highly recommend you to try it with some goat cheese and stuff like that. It's really good. So essentially what I do with this kind of cheeses is just that I'm taking it a little bit and then just crumble it over. Finish it off with a little bit of olive oil. basil and a little bit of sumac. You can also add za'atar on top if you like. This time I'm going to leave it like this. And that's it. Let's try. Yeah, this is the salad. I'm just mixing it usually. Super good. Probably the healthiest thing that I ever made. And on to the next one. Okay, second salad. We have some pear, this time parsley because this is what I found, the leftover bulgur and the feta cheese. Let's start. I will start by taking out the leaves. It will take some time, so. This one I keep in my stock Ziploc, so it doesn't go to waste. Apart from parsley, you can also use a bit of coriander and some mint if you like it, whatever you prefer. This is what I love about this kind of salads. So I chop them roughly, not so thin. This is a pretty tough pear, but it is what I have anyway. So I'm cutting them in relatively large cubes, avoiding the ends. Just add it into, you can do a smaller. I would definitely cut them smaller now that I see them in the salad. Now, some cheese, the same as before. I think also a good cheese that will work here as well is blue cheese. I think it will really add good flavors to the pear. And I forgot, but we're going to also add toasted almonds. So let's go toast some almonds. Already looks really good, right? What I have here is a hot pan and some almonds. I'm gonna toast them on medium high. So I'm here with my extra large serving of salad, and now we try. Definitely not bad. Really hate. The dog is in the frame. Mimi, say hi to YouTube. I think having it with a slightly more ripe pear would be better. But nonetheless super tasty. I really like the texture game that you have here. So you have like the crispiness of the almonds and also this nuttiness, this toastiness that comes from roasting them. So it's really nice. It adds this crunch to the salad. The cheese just works wonderfully. I do believe that the gorgonzola or blue cheese of any kind will be great instead of the feta. The parsley adds freshness, and you have sweetness from the honey in the vinaigrette, and then the finish with the reduction of the balsamic. Very good. The recipes for all the salads are going to be on my website, and the link will be in the description below. And see you on the next variation. Third bulgur salad we have today. I'm going to cut them small, roast all these veggies. The oven is already on, is getting warmer, and we're going to cut. Here I have my pan. I am not sure if I'm going to use the entire pumpkin. This is an Hokkaido pumpkin, it's really small. So I cut it in half, and I'm going to drain this. I don't know the word for it, but take all the seeds out. You got the point, right? Trying to cut into small pieces, so we'll start by half this. Take these ones out. I washed it from the outside, of course. Okay, I think it's enough. I will see later. Now cut the eggplants. I finished the zucchini and realized I need to use all the pumpkin. Okay, pumpkin is out. Let's do the zucchini. I'm trying to do all the veggies in the same size, so it will need the same time in the oven. Carrot peel and ends go to my scrap Ziploc for a stock. This is my beautiful pan. Of course, I'm not going to use all of this in the salad. You can use this for other things, the roasted veggies. So it's not going to waste, don't worry. Drizzle olive oil, a lot of it. Now that it's all soaked in olive oil, black pepper. I'm going to keep it really simple because we are going to mix it with some sauce with the bulgur. So just so it will have some flavor. Some cooking salt. And now for the fun part. Just making sure everything is well seasoned, well oiled. I'm keeping them separate, so if one of them looks too cooked for me, I can take them out really easily. So now it goes to a 200 degrees Celsius preheated oven for half an hour. We're going to the open oven. I will see you in a bit. Oh, it's been a while. It's been 40 minutes, 45. And this is how it looks. Let's take us out. Whoppa. What? Yummy. I have my cooked bulgur here and my veggies over here. I have a serving bowl right here. I'm going to plate it and season it. Now, just going to take some until I'm happy with the amounts from each veggie. Oh my god, it looks so good! Now we mix and see if something is missing. Can't wait to dive in. Look how good it looks! Oh my god, I'm so thrilled to try it! Now, just assemble in my bowl. Just a few of this. This is actually super filling, so I think that will be enough for now. You don't need oil because you have oil from the veggies, but we are going to use some balsamic vinegar, a little bit of pepper, mix it. I have here some roughly chopped parsley. I'm going to put it for freshness over the top. And optional also to add some fat on top. I think it will be very tasty here. Just crumbling on top. And that's it. And now we try. Okay, so I'm here with my really big salad. I'm very happy about this week. Say hi to Mimi, she's right there. She's asleep. So I have my salad with me and it's really interesting for me to try. Oh my god, this is such an amazing salad, you have to try it. It takes a little extra effort, but it's so worth it. You can of course just use whatever roasted veggies you would like. Definitely can work here some peppers if you're into that. Also hot peppers will be also good. This is so nice, so hearty and comforting, a bit sweet, refreshing, but filling. I think I can even put a little more balsamic. I'm really happy with this. You can just change the veggies, you can add more herbs, you can change the cheese. I know I used it in all my recipes, but I'm not pro throwing away stuff, and if I can use them and it works, then why not? Definitely works here. Amazing. Also could work garlic. Oh my god, this is one of my best so far. I hope you enjoyed the video, and all the recipes, as I mentioned, are on my website and the link for them is in the description below. If you make them, please tag me. I want to see what you came up with. It's of course all adjustable and, you know, to your liking. It's just an idea of what to do and it's amazing. I highly recommend. It's very different kind of meal than what I usually eat and usually make on my channel, as if you're like a previous fan, let's call it. And that's it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like that, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you get notifications when I upload new videos. If you want to affect the content that I upload to my YouTube channel and website recipes, then you can go to my online shop on Coffee, choose whatever going on my website and YouTube. And that's it. I hope you'll see you on the next video. Bye.